Hello dear students, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I think you are staying at home. This class is for the student of class 6. In your syllabus, it has identification of noun, identification of sentence. Sentences are two kinds according to meaning, according to structure. According to meaning, sentence is 5 kinds. According to structure, sentence is 3 kinds. According to meaning, sentences are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. First of all, we know about the assertive sentence, structure of assertive sentence. How can we identify of sentence, identification of sentence? How can we identify? In a assertive sentence, we see structure. In a assertive sentence, we see subject. First of all, we use subject has a main verb object. This is the structure of assertive sentence. Interrogative sentence. In an interrogative sentence, first of all, we see has WS word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb, noun or adjective, and then object. At the last of this sentence, we see note of interrogation mark. What is the structure of imperative sentence? Structure of imperative sentence, first of all, we start with a main verb, object, and full stop. In the imperative sentence, we don't see subject. We start with a main verb, not subject. We start with, also we start can with please, don't, never. Imperative sentence can start main verb or please, don't, never. Don't and never, this is the negative imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is 2 types, affirmative, negative. Start with a main verb, this called affirmative sentence. When start with a don't, never, this is the negative imperative sentence. Optative sentence. Optative sentence is the another type of sentence according to meaning. Optative sentence all time start me and subject and then main verb. At the last of the sentence we see object. And note of mark, full stop. Full stop we can use imperative optative sentence. Full stop. What is the structure of exclamatory sentence? At first we see in an exclamatory sentence what, how, and article a and the, adjective, subject, and verb, and note of exclamatory sign, exclamatory symbol. Exclamatory sentence is different types of sentence. In this sentence we see verb is last. Before verb we can use subject. This is the another types of sentence. These are the structure of according to meaning. These are the structure of according to meaning. How can we identify sentence? First of all, we know about the structure of the sentences. I will give you some example for understanding. As assertive sentence said, structure of assertive sentence. He reads a book. Rohim likes me. This is assertive sentence. In an assertive sentence we see subject. Assertive sentence. Subject, main verb, object. Main subject, main verb, object. How can subject make? Subject make noun and pronoun. Noun and pronoun. Subject make noun and pronoun. This is a noun, this is pronoun, this is noun. So this is the assertive sentence. Interrogative sentence, what is the structure? According to structure, I gave the example in interrogative sentence. What are you doing? What are you doing now? Are you sick? Are you sick? These are interrogative sentence. In an interrogative sentence, we see WH word. Here we see WH word and auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Start with the WH word. Can also start with auxiliary verb. And then subject and then verb, subject and extension or object. Auxiliary verb, subject and extension. Adjective. Here we see adjective. So this is the interrogative sentence. When you get in a question paper, what is sentence it is, or how can you identify? You know about this rule, and in the interrogative sentence we see has a interrogative sign or symbol or note of interrogation mark. When you see interrogation mark in a sentence, you call this sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence finished, and I will discuss imperative sentence. Stay home. Stay home. Stay home. Stay safe. Safe. This is interrogative sentence. Main verb. First of all, imperative sentence start with a main verb and object. Imperative sentence start main verb or object. And order request used. Please give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. This is another types of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, first of all we see please and give. Imperative sentence can you begins please, don't, never. Don't go out of the room. Don't go out of the home. This is another type of interrogative sentence. It is actually in negative interrogative sentence. Negative imperative sentence. Don't go out of home. Go out of whom? Go out of whom? This is imperative sentence. Affirmative imperative sentence. This is another interrogative imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is finished, and at the last of this imperative sentence we see full stop. And optative sentence. How can we identify optative sentence? Optative sentence we start with a may subject. May you pass, P-A-S-S, pass in the exam. May, first of all we see may and subject and main verb, object. So at the last of the sentence, imperative sentence, we see full stop. May you pass in the exam. Wish or pray, it is indicated in the optative sentence. All kinds of imperative sentences start with a may and subject. In this way, you can identify imperative sentence. Now we will discuss exclamative sentence. Structure of the exclamative sentence. What a pity it is. Exclamative sentence. What a pity is. How nice the boy is. In an exclamatory sentence, easily we can identify exclamatory sentence. How can we identify exclamatory sentence easily? In the exclamatory sentence, at the last of the sentence, we see interrogation exclamatory sign or note of exclamatory mark. Exclamatory mark. This is exclamatory mark. It's called a exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence start with a what, how. But interrogative sentence start with a what, how, which, when, WH word. But there are has. There is a very different, far difference according to structure. What, how, and article, not a subject, not a auxiliary verb. Article, adjective. That's such as what a pity it is, and note of exclamatory sign or symbol. In a exclamatory sentence, start with a what, how, and article or adjective. This is article and it is adjective, but in this sentence we see adjective and subject. At the last of this bar exclamatory sentence we see verb. So this is subject and verb. These are the example of exclamatory sentence. Actually, it is different types of exclamatory sentence. How? At first, we start with a how, feel. This is the expression of hurrah. This is a hurrah, expression of joy. Whenever expression of joy or sorrow. When expression of joy, we use hurrah, and exclamatory sign we use in this after the hurrah or the exclamatory word. After that, we use assertive sentence. At the last of this sentence, full stop. So this sentence is different types of exclamatory sentence. How, hurrah, and feel. We can use not. Another types of structure you use these types of structure. Assertive sentence, subject, verb, object. So these are the structure of, according to me, sentence. 5 kinds of sentence. I will discuss about the structure of, according to structure, 3 kinds. Now I will start. According to structure, sentence is 3 kinds: simple, compound, complex. Simple sentence. What is the feature of simple sentence? What is the structure of simple sentence? Subject, finite verb. Subject, finite verb, object. In a simple sentence, we will have these kinds of words, such as by working hard you can shine life. By working hard, by plus gerund. By plus gerund, without plus gerund. By working hard, this is a gerund. By working hard you can shine in life. Closing the door, I went outside. This is a participle. Gerund or participle. I will be discuss about this in details later. By working hard, you can shine in life. Closing the door, I went outside. These are the sentence of simple sentence. These are the simple sentence. How can we identify? In a simple sentence, we see by plus gerund, without plus gerund. Participle, because of, in spite of, to. He is too weak to work. He is too weak to work. So in this sentence we see to and to. So we can say it's a simple sentence. You students should count these types of words firstly. And when you will get these types of word in a sentence, he called these sentences simple sentence. Compound sentence. Compound sentence, what is the structure of compound sentence? Simple principal clause, words, these types of words, and principal clause. Two principal clause is added with some words. These are and, but, or, not only, but also, either or, neither nor, both. In a complex sentence, we see these types of words. It is health and that is wealth. This is a conjunction, linker, conjunction or connector. This is conjunction, linker and connector. He is not only but also singer, but also he is a dancer. In this sentences we see and, not only but also. Actually, and before the and we see principal clause, subject, finite verb, object, and after the and we see that subject, verb and object. So this is the example of compound sentence. Compound sentence, principal clause and subordinate clause added with some words. This is some words. Student should call this. Then. Now, complex sentence. Complex sentence, what is the structure of complex sentence? What is the feature of complex sentence? Principal clause. First of all, principal clause, subordinate clause, one or two or three. Subordinate clause can, in a complex sentence, 1, 2 or 3. Principal clause. Subordinate clause, principal clause. In a complex sentence, we see these types of word. These types of word. These types of word. If, so that, unless, till, until, as, when, what, whose, where, how, whom, since. These types of words we see in a complex sentence, such as if you work hard, you can channelize. This is the complex sentence. In a complex sentence, we see these types of words. How can we identify? This is a complex sentence. What types of sentence it is? It is a complex sentence, not a assertive, interrogative, operative, simple, compound. Actually, this is very different types of sentence. Its structure is very different, and according to the complex sentence structure, if he came to me so that he could know the matter. So this is another example of complex sentence. Class 6. Hello students. Class 6. You first of all know the rules of the sentences according to meaning, according to structure. On the basis of the rules, knowing the rules, after knowing the rules, you will justify what is sentence it is. Such as I gave you an example. May you live alone? What kind of sentence it is? Yes, it is a imperative operative sentence, optative sentence, because we start with a may. All kinds of imperative sentences start with a may. So, you first of all know the rules of the sentences. So, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching my video.